Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Laban Pilipino, saan man sa mundo, ang Pinas sa inyo'y saludo. Malawak man ang daigdig, malayo ka man kababayan, sa kalungkot ay huwag palatiin. Laban Pilipino, saan man sa mundo, ang Pinas sa inyo'y saludo. Malawak man ang daigdig, malayo ka man kababayan, sa kalungkot ay huwag padadain.
On today's video guys, I'm going to meet up my family. We're gonna eat at the restaurant. So, malaki na mukha ko dito guys. Iwan ko lang. So, I'm at the stairs. Tingnan nyo guys. Yan pa. Second floor pa siya. I'm going to the basement. Di ba? Samahan niyo ako guys, para hindi ako alone. Kasi napaka-quiet, parang may mumu. So, first floor na siya. Ayan. So, I'm going to the basement. So, tingnan nyo guys. Ayan, napaka-creepy. Ayan. So, andito na po tayo sa basement. So, hindi talaga siya joke. So, andito tayo sa parking garage. So, tagal ko na pong hindi nakapag-upload sa aking YouTube channel. So, para may update naman tayo, di ba? So, ayan. Po tayo sa aking sasakyan. Yung red car na yan, guys. Yes, yung red car na yan. Yan po ang aking service for today.
Nice.
Service talaga. So, talagang naglisod po si Minolfi. Hirap talaga. Okay. So, ayan. Ayan po ang aking service for today. Ang napakaganda ng sasakyan na to guys. Ganda nito guys. Hindi ko na kailangan gamitin tong key. Ilagay lang dyan. Tapos i-on lang to. Ayan na! Talagang aalis na talaga si Minolfi official. Minolfi Sword Team USA. So, back up na po si Minolfi. Yan. Uy, i-off natin tong music kasi nga makapiright tayo. Religious song naman yan, pero baka may possibility na makapiright po tayo.
Tama kayo, tama kayo.
So, I forgot to bring the garage door again. So, ang gagawin ni Minolfi, i-press na naman ito. Open. Ayan. At balik sa loob. Kasi nga, umakyat na po ang ating garage door. So, kailangan natin mag-seatbelt guys. Always wear seatbelt. Yan talaga ang gagawin natin. Diba? Ayan. Hala, nahulog po ang aking isang cellphone. Ang dilim na guys. Samahan niyo ako guys. Ang dilim na talaga siya. So guide me Lord. So I'm gonna stop by at the yan, madilim na talaga siya guys. Samahan niyo ako ha. Huwag niyo kong iwan. Walang iwanan. Walang iwanan. Yan. Ganito na talaga kadilim. So malayo-layo pa rin po ang pupuntahan ko, but I need to stop by at the store kasi kailangan kong magbili something for my ay hala, wala na palang time. Wala na talagang time. 6:27 na. So I need to go straight to where my family is. It's a Chinese restaurant guys.
Sana all.
So it's my sister's birthday. Ngayon lang siya nagpunta dito kasi she lives in Los Angeles, California. Malayo po siya sa amin. So we hardly see her. So the last time I saw her, nung pauwi ako ng Pilipinas last December. And then nung nagbalik ako sa January. Yeah. So ayan. Traffic talaga guys. Ay hindi naman traffic, ano lang. So ito talaga ang life dito sa US. So iniwan ko muna ng amo ko ng few hours. Wala namang problema kasi nga naka-CR na siya, tapos na siyang kumain kanina ng dinner. So she's good. So wala na akong time at Whole Foods pala. Ang dali lang talaga ng oras guys. Akala ko meron pa akong time doon. Pero obviously no more time because it takes 18 minutes to get to the restaurant from my work. So I don't wanna be late because I wanna spend a lot of time sa mga pamangkin kong Amerikano. I need to spend time with them. So I have to be early. Tapos yung dalawa kong anak ko, makikita ko rin po sila doon. So super excited ako sa gabi na ito. Yan, samahan niyo ako guys ha. Huwag niyo kong iwan. Ay, wala talaga akong time mag-ano. It's okay. Stop by muna ako sa Whole Foods. Yan, sa Whole Foods Market. Para mabili ko po yung ano ng amo ko. Yan, yung store na to. Whole Foods Market. Nagbili ako ng coconut water to prevent UTI sa amo ko po. Imimix ko po sa oh my gosh. So park muna ako dito. Off naman po natin to. Ayan. Kasi minsan guys, nakalimutan kong i-off. Nakalimutan ko pong i-off. Ang nangyayari, naka-on pa po siya. Talagang nakakatakot talaga siya. So, it's not that cold. Nakachinelas lang po si Minolby. Punta lang tayo dito sa Whole Foods. Ay! Yan na nga ang vlogger.
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
What?
Mag-vlogger talaga. Ayan, Whole Foods po yan guys. Pasok tayo sa loob. Bili tayo ng coconut water. Yan lang po ang bibili naman natin. Hindi ko pala nalock ang scars. So, organic po mostly ang tinda dito guys. From vegetables to everything. Pero ako, music. Music is life, Algen. Dito naman po ang music. So, bili lang tayo ng coconut water. Asa na yun? Alam ko na yun eh. Coconut water. Ito na guys. To prevent mag-UTI ang aking amo, bili tayo ng coconut water. Not sponsored. But doon po ang ibibili ko. Ayan. Bili tayo ng 6. Yun lang. Yun lang po ang bibili ni Minolby. Punta tayo ng counters. Counters. Yan. Oh my gosh. Ang dami pa naman pinamili niya. Ano lang ngayon? Self-checkout. Pwede namang card siguro. Mag self-checkout tayo guys. Ayan. Self-checkout. Kasi nga, nagmamadali tayo. Oh, card only. Yes. Wala akong cash. I hardly have cash. So,
scan your first item. Remember to scan your product and take your receipt.
Ito tayo guys. Yan po ang talent ni Minolby. Bibili something for the amo. Kasi yung anak nandun sa Florida. So, iwan guys, $29.39. Just one. The bag charge will be added to your total.
Information needed.
No.
Select payment type.
Card.
Pin pad to complete transaction.
So, card tayo guys. Please take the receipt. Ayan na, receipt natin. Bayad pala ng bag dito guys. I didn't know that. Ilagay po natin ang ating mga receipt kasi babayaran niya ng anak. Na guys, nandyan na sa loob. Tapos na po tayo. So, get back to the car. Ayun. Yan. Yun lang talaga ang kailangan ko today. Yung coconut water niya. Kasi ayoko na po siyang magkaroon ng UTI. So, Tapos yung water, yung coconut milk, half and half. Kasi, lagyan ko siya ng water. Lagyan ko siya ng water. Ko. Yeah, ito na sila. So, yung coconut water ni Pat, half sa big jar. Tapos, lagyan ko ng water, half water. And then, lemon. 1 whole lemon, yung na-squeeze ko na juice sa lemon. Tapos a little salt kasi nga mababa po ang kanyang sodium on her body. So kailangan namin lagyan ng salt. So next month ipatest ko na naman po siya to see kung okay na yung level sa kanyang sodium. Ang laki ng responsibility guys pag maging kang caregiver. Kung magiging kang caregiver. Kung mahal mo ang trabaho mo. Kasi yung ibang mga caregiver walang pake. But I do. Kasi gusto ko pa siyang buhayin ng mga 100 years. 100 years talaga. Yeah, it's true. Bubuhayin ko talaga as much as I can si Pat. Si Patricia Brandlin. So, magdadrive na naman po si Minolby. So, I'll see you in a bit. Po kami kakain, guys. Yan. My family is inside. So, tingnan natin guys, ha? Kasi nandan sila sa loob. Where are they? Hi guys! Hello! How are you? How are you, my beautiful niece? Oh, we have our table! Ingon si Jan, nana sila diri sulod. Wait, you didn't give me a hug. Happy birthday, Marcy! I don't know. How many points do I have? Sarah, take yours. I have water. You don't want water? I have your water over here. I'd like some coffee. Wait, that's not coffee. That's not coffee. That's tea. I'm a good girl. Mary, I haven't seen your engagement right now.
Let's see it, Mary. Let's see how thick it is.
So good. I'm gonna try it.
Hey, I'm still having a proof of this guy, though. He hasn't even called me yet.
Oh, wala ko nung ka nagtawag niya, love.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Are you guys going to the Philippines? Can you come in the Philippines? In September 3. Yeah. You would love it. You would love it.
When I see Tempe,
Wala ko nung ka nag-message niya. Ni Mike.
Did you see that kid riding behind the motorcycle?
Yeah. It was fun though. You guys wanna come?
You would have fun.
I don't know. We'll have to look at our schedule. Is that a 2-week trip?
No.
You want it to be free.
Yeah, 3 weeks is good.
2.5. I'm hungry. Can we order now? I'm hungry.
Late, oh. Late talaga yan sila. Filipino time talaga yan. Yeah, yan ang oldest ko, guys.
Hello.
And then, and Mikay. They're late. They're very late.
We're in the wrong place.
Filipino yun na sila.
You said we're inside. I said bullshit.
Look, we're Filipinos, that's what we're like. Di totoo yan.
One tea. You don't want something?
Here. It's pepper good. It's cream cheese.
No, I mean that would be weird.
You've done that before, you know?
That's all cream cheese inside. Yeah, it's very good. Literally.
I like
Literally bagel and cream cheese. I will love you so much if you try a bite.
I love you so much, Nino. You're gonna eat the Nino. Okay.
No, eat it with that, with the sauce.
It's good, right?
Hey, you can give it to me if you don't like it. No, promise.
It's good, huh? I'm so proud of you, Nate. No? No.
Fine. You gave it a chance.
That's all I wanted.
Okay. Okay, Denise. No, you don't need to get it. I have. There, Denise. Just one? Just one?
Now, just chicken. Just chicken.
Hindi lagi pagkansin ni Matani.
My birthday. Yeah, my 50th birthday too.
That's gonna be annoying. Hey, we're not going anymore.
Wala la, yun na ni mo, Mike.
That's gonna be so annoying. It's my 50th birthday. I'm
Ayun
quitting.
pala, nagpapos ako yung YouTube.
Dali lang ba? Put on your phone.
No.
Where's mine?
I did. John. Thank you. Steak na, Mike.
Which one is that one? Is it the mango?
Ako ni squid, Mike. Delikado ka
That's squid. Yeah, that's for sure squid.
Yeah. Ala, so pinang squid.
Ooh, wait, is this one different? Because it looks different. Oh,
Yeah, that is mine. That is correct.
Wait, it's so funny. I have something to share here. Don't worry about it, man. Would you like the flatline?
You're right.
Sila, oh, balutin mo. Filipino, like, ano? Balutin mo, no?
You gotta go to the bathroom.
yes, please.
Sige na, balutin mo.
piece of it.
So weird. Day to you.
Alright, blow the cake. Ready?